When you've completed a new single, album, or EP and you're ready to distribute it to Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and other stores and streaming platforms, TuneCore is there to help. But it's important to know that the stores you distribute to only accept high-quality artwork, and as a result, there's some specific requirements you'll need to follow before sending your music. Your artwork must be in the form of a JPEG, PNG, or GIF image file, in the shape of a perfect square. iTunes and TuneCore recommend that images be 3000 by 3000 pixels, but they need to be at least 1600 by 1600 pixels. If you are distributing your music to the Amazon On-Demand store, your artwork must be exactly 1600 by 1600 pixels. The best quality RGB color mode, including black and white images. The resolution should be 300 dpi, but needs to be at least 72 dpi. Only include text stating the artist's name and release title exactly as it appears in the title you are entering in TuneCore, or provide just an image with no text. Now let's dive into some things you shouldn't include on your artwork. Do not include the following: any extra text outside of your release title and artist name, mismatching text on artwork and artist name or title. For example, if you're uploading a single but your artwork says the album title where the single will later appear, this is a conflict. You must enter the single's title or no title on the artwork. Email addresses, URLs, social media handles, or any other contact information or any pricing information. Stickers or other items from your artwork that you might be scanning in from a physical CD are not allowed. Anything suggesting that your release is a physical or digital product, such as CD, DVD, or digital exclusive. Artwork, texts, or images that are cut off or blurry. Artwork that is compressed into one corner with the rest of the image having white space. Anything saying iTunes or referencing a digital store name or logo. A parental advisory or explicit sticker or logo if your release does not include any content that is explicit. Some of you right now might be asking, what if I don't have any artwork to begin with? The good news is, we can help generate cover art for you free of charge. When you're in the distribution dashboard, just click Create Artwork for me. Thanks for watching, and if you need help uploading the artwork to your release, check out our distribution tutorial. And remember, if you need to get in touch with our artist support team, find a link in this video's description.